Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another great video. Under the trade general stable, you feel what I'm saying? Yeah, without further ado, let's get to a little breakdown. So here, looks like we're rocking with that bearish again. I'm not sure why every pair it's like in this range right now. Not every pair, but the pairs I trade are in ranges. So I'm not sure what's going on there, bud. But we've just been stuck right here for a little bit. It looks like we're bearish on the daily a little bit. There's a resistance, major resistance that we need to get through. On a 4, it's crazy because we look bullish. Yeah, pretty much. And on the 1 hour, we are, let's see. This is so messy. I have to redo my charts, man. On the 1 hour, we are, let's see. I'm trying to remember what the dealio was. Okay, breaker structure. I'm trying to get it right down. Trying to get it up. Trying to get it back down. I think it's still bearish, because it was bearish over here. And I change to get it up. Alright, change to get it down, change to get it up. Another change to get it down. Yeah, I'm gonna say it's still bearish. So some sells. Sells below. Alright, right. Stay with me. I like sells below here. Or sells below this line. Yeah. So you just put it right there. I'm not in love with price action tonight. So might be one of them nights, man. Might be one of them nights. London has been one of those nights all week long, bro. Like every night I'm waking up and I'm like, bro, why am I up? What are we looking for right now, dude? What's the vibe, gang? What we on, man? I haven't been feeling it. Haven't been feeling it. Can't lie to you guys. Alright. I think that's everywhere I want to look for them at. Alright, now that's everywhere. Okay. Yeah, we'll see with this. Our first trade of the week, and we instantly go into drawdown, bro. What the fuck? What the flip? The fuck going on? Alright, anyway. Got into this trade. I got in at 2035.70. Risking 200. I mean, not 200. 20 pips. For 1 to 2. Yeah, that's pretty much the trade. 1 to 2 would be right here, which I like about it. So yeah, 2031.660. We want TP. I gave you this. Wait, 2031. That's no. What's my stop loss? Stop loss is 2037.7. And this is 2031.66. Yeah. Alright, first trade. Basically, just a little quick rundown. We were bearish on every time frame, not every time frame. We're bearish on the 1 hour and the daily. 4 hours still kind of bullish. This setup comes from this overall, this swing level, this resistance, become support, and then a closure below of it coming down. I break below, so the whole key to it is just to finish the move down. That's kind of what we're looking for. And yeah, and some drawdown right now, but yeah, I would say I don't love the trade. It's cool, you feel what I'm saying? Something about gold just been throwing me off this whole week, with just like with each pair. So like gold has been since Monday moving within like this range. All right. Just ranging, you feel me? So it's up 1 minute, it's down 1 minute, up 1 minute, down 1 minute. Yeah, we're in some drawdown right now, but yeah. It's just up and down, up and down, up and down. That's one thing I don't like about this trade, is that like I don't really feel like clear direction on gold, like, so you know, I feel like it could be a loss. Same thing has been on GJ. I mean, we're now just breaking out on GJ, but I'm kind of waiting for more confirmations on GJ. Maybe should have did the same thing with gold, but I did take a good GJ trade this week. But for the most part, like, again, look, we're just in this range, like this overall big range for a while, since last week, you know. So hopefully, you know, this trade plays out. We start to reject and, you know, flip and all that good shit. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. Don't really want to watch this because, yeah, right now I'm not liking it. I'm not liking it just off of, you know, I hate drawdown. But other than that, this does fit. It does like fit my criteria. Like, I did make the breakdown seeing if anything I want sells. A sell presented itself, I'm in the sell. If shit don't work out, it don't work out. But yeah, nothing else really to say about this trade. So we'll see. Okay guys, it is actually Sunday right now. I was supposed to like really record this little breakdown part. This is what led to me passing the challenge. I was supposed to have been record this. Hopefully the background noise isn't too loud. But we had ended up not passing on this trade, but coming like $180 short of passing with that sell. I just showed you guys the breakdown in real time and everything when I entered. And this was the trade that actually put us over the top. I scalped a little 180 to, I had like 180 left over after taking this trade to pass, and I scalped this little kind of fractal sweep sell, on which I just got a quick 180 sweep, break of the candle, got in. So that was that. That's what led to me passing. One trade I kind of didn't, forgot to like mention that really played a role into me passing was this GJ buy I had on the 27th. I would say, in all honesty, this was a bad win. And I'll tell you why. It was a good trade, bad win. So let's just go back in time to Tuesday around before the 9 a.m. candle. So this is the Tuesday candle close right here. Whoa, wait a minute. Make sure this is right. 15. All right, the candle didn't close yet. Tuesday. I'm not sure about the daily Tuesday. Not candles not showing. There we go. Okay, so yeah, we didn't have this bearish candle close like this yet, right? So I was still believing that we were gonna go up to this next resistance here. This candle wasn't here, right? So we were bullish on the daily, dropped down to the 4, right? We came down, we were bearish on the 4 until we closed
right at support, respecting support. So that's a bullish indication. 1 hour, still bullish. You feel me? Breaker structure to the up. Didn't sweep these. Didn't take out these lows. We eventually had a change of character and breaker structure eventually, but that didn't happen yet. So everything was screaming bullish, right? Now, where did I want buys above? I'm trying to remember this exactly correctly, okay? Because I don't want to incorrectly do this. But then again, I forgot to record this live time. So if I can remember, I would say I probably wanted buys above here. I definitely want to buys above here. So these two areas I want to buys above, and the third won't be up there. But I know I didn't take the buys above there. So I definitely waited for the 4-hour candle to close. Let's see. Came down. And this is probably the candle we entered on. Let's see what time we entered. I'm trying to remember where exactly did I enter at. Let's see what time. And let's see, 1842. Damn it. It's not going to be helpful. Well, hopefully. I just know that I got in. I got in on the breakout. Price was at like 5. Right here it says 577. So I assume actually I took this breakout right here. This would make sense. That I took this breakout. Okay, 578 was my entry, and then I had about an 18 pip stop loss. Cool. Now, what made this a bad trade is that first I ended up, when price came up and it came down, I ended up entering a second position right here, making my total risk 2%. So then price is pushing up into my favor, but then it actually came and made this steep bottom wick, right? Now down here I added 2 more positions, which is pretty crazy because that increased my total risk to about 3% on the trade. So I had about 3% risk floating on the trade. I was already down 3% on the account. So some will say that's a gamble. I was really confident in this trade, but again, I shouldn't have increased my risk exposure by that much. So I was just aiming for a quick 1 to 2, and price smacked my 1 to 2, and that ended up netting us like we went from being down 3% to up 4%, right? So total net 7%. So I was up 4% on the account, and then that gold trade. This is also about, it wasn't 2% risk on this sell, but what happened was I didn't even know I was in the 30-minute time frame this whole time. That's probably why my entry was off. But yeah, okay, that makes sense. Okay, cool. Well, anyway, this gold trade, when I had got into it and it came up to retest this level, I had entered a twin trade, which allowed me to get about 3,600 profit on this trade. So the 3,600 or 3,800, something like that, plus the profit from this, plus this small trade allowed me to pass. So I passed phase 1 of the 5 hours challenge. Now this is where we stop kind of looking at the charts and we get serious, and we get real serious. So I passed, and then literally once I pass, I get it. I don't trade Friday. I get an email that day saying they're going to work on the migration of U.S. traders from MT4 to a new platform, or a platform called MatrixTrader. I don't know how new it is or how long it's been out, but it's called MatrixTrader. And this is my issue with that, right? I don't like using a platform I've never used before. That's one thing. 2 is like, damn, I just passed phase 1. You feel me? It kind of sucks that I had to like start trying to take trades on a new platform where like hopefully it's like a mobile app to it or something like that. But like if it's not London, it's hard for me to trade during New York because obviously I'm working a 9 to 5. I'm working a full-time job. So some of the red flags is throwing me off about that. Even then, like our whole goal, I know a lot of us we're trying to attain a lot of capital, a lot of funding, right? So beforehand we could get pass the challenge on one company, pass the challenge on FT mode, and pass it on True Forex funds, whatever, and then we have a trade copier. Then we copy every trade to the copy every trade to every funding, John. So it's like if we had $1 million of funding, we can utilize the full million. Now with every prop firm in the forex industry kind of you know, having their own unique platform. You know, FTMO has DX Trader, this has Match Trader. You know, it's different from each forex prop firm. Where it's like now we can't copy trade, we can't compound up funded accounts to get, you know, $1 million funded in capital. So while the migration of my account to this new platform is happening this week, which is going to sideline me from trading, I'm taking the initiative and I'm going to actually start trading futures. We are going to be trading ES, and we are going to be trading gold, of course. So gold is, so if you didn't know, I was already trading SPY. I had to take a break from it just to focus on 2 pairs, and you know I trade gold. So these, it's literally the same exact charts as Forex. Literally the same exact, you know what I'm saying? Literally the same exact charts. So I'll be starting a 150K top step funding challenge starting tomorrow. What I love about futures is just like, it's only one broker, you know, CME, Comex. They're the only ones, you know what I mean? There's no slippage. Everyone's seeing the same charts. You could trade directly off of TradingView, which is going to be so key for me. Just a lot of things I'm liking about futures that, you know, Forex is just not, I like the regulation is coming, but it's not beneficial for me. I can't stack up funded accounts. I can't do a lot of things that can allow my rise to the top. Not to say that I'm in any rush, but like I think it's the best bet to even just move to the more safer, you know, the safer bet. Like futures is regulated, and you know, I mean, it's here to stay. I believe I know Forex is here to stay, obviously as well. But like right now, we're going through a change period, and it's just why not wait till the dust settles before, you know. I don't want to have, even then, like I want to have a personal account soon. I wanted to have a personal account starting this March. I can't copy trade. Like I'll have to go from like either like using Trade Locker or Sway, and then have a prop firm on Match Trader, and then have a prop. Like it's just too much. Whereas I can have just use my TraderVate account, Top Step, whatever. Have all that sync copy trading on futures. So yeah, we will be taking the futures challenge this week. 150K Top Step. It comes to about, with the coupon, 111 a month. I'm not scared to waste no 100. As far as the prop firm challenge goes, that I just passed phase 1 on, once they migrate me, I will still pass phase 2. I want my refund, obviously, but I'm not sweating that account. You know, I probably will be more inclined to take more risk on it. You know what I mean? Because I honestly don't want to be just. I think I'm going to move to futures long term, just on how stability and how practical it makes sense for me to trade. So yeah, coming this week, you guys will be able to see me actually trading from TradingView too, which is, I think, elite. Like I can trade literally from TradingView. Like imagine I'm just, boom, I mark up my charts and I say, oh, I'm getting to this buy, and you can see the profit of me in the buy, you know, and all of that good shit. So where I put my stops, all of that. So I think this would just be elite for my YouTube, elite for myself, and just a good move for me overall. You feel me? So that's kind of where I'm at now. Bittersweet, past phase 1, but that comes with it. So we're going to start this challenge. The combine, they call them combines. I'm going to start this combine going forth on Monday. And, you know, I hope you guys can support the futures content as you guys really support it and love the Forex content. So, yeah, without further ado, Trade General is out. And I'll see you guys next Sunday.